On top of historical income statement, we also provide the predicted income statement. Basically, your future income comes from two types of customers: your existing customers and your future acquired customers. Existing customers refer to those who have already purchased from you. They are expected to repurchase and contribute to your store's future income, and we predict their income based on their historical repurchase pattern. The second type of customer, future acquired customers, are customers who will be acquired through marketing activities in the future. Those future customers will purchase from you when they are acquired, which will contribute to your future income too. We make the income prediction from them according to the historical marketing efficiency in different marketing channels and your marketing budget input. We provide separate reports for the two customer segments: the predicted income statement from existing customers and the predicted income statement from future acquired customers. We then combine the two reports to build the total predicted income statement. The metrics of the three reports are the same as those in the historical income statement. You can look at the historical income statement tutorial to understand the meaning of those metrics.